Ever found yourself juggling client appointments, remembering their preferences, and trying to keep track of their purchase history, all while wondering if there's a simpler way, like a single tool that could just do it all? You're running a business, right? You're not just booking appointments, you're building relationships. And relationships need nurturing. That's where the question hits. Is Square Appointments just an appointment scheduler? Or is it secretly a CRM in disguise? Let's be real, the term CRM gets thrown around a lot. Customer Relationship Management. Sounds fancy, like some big corporate software. But at its heart, it's about understanding and interacting with your customers better. For small businesses, especially those in the service industry, think salons, barbershops, fitness studios, you name it, that understanding is everything. It's what keeps clients coming back, it's what builds loyalty, and ultimately, it's what grows your business. Now, you're probably already using Square Appointments. It's great, right? Simple, intuitive, gets the job done. But let's dig a little deeper. We're not just looking for a calendar. We're looking for a system that helps us manage the entire client journey. So, let's break down what a CRM actually does. First up, contact management. A good CRM lets you store client information. Names, contact details, appointment history, purchase history, notes, everything. Square Appointments definitely nails this. You've got client profiles, you can add notes, you can see past appointments, you can track sales. Check. Next, interaction tracking. This is about recording every touchpoint you have with a client. Did they call? Did they email? Did they leave a review? Did they buy a product? A true CRM keeps a log of all these interactions. With Square Appointments, you're seeing appointments, sales tied to a client, and you can add notes, which serves as a form of interaction tracking. Then there's segmentation. This is where you group clients based on shared characteristics. Maybe you want to target clients who haven't booked in a while, or clients who regularly buy a specific product. Can Square Appointments segment clients? Less directly. You can filter by booking history, but it doesn't offer the advanced segmentation of a dedicated CRM. And finally, automation. This is about automating tasks like sending reminders, follow-up emails, or personalized offers. Can Square Appointments automate? Yes. It sends appointment reminders, and you can connect it to Square Marketing for more advanced email campaigns. So there's some automation in there. So where does Square Appointments fall on this spectrum? It's not a full-fledged CRM with all the bells and whistles, but it's definitely got CRM-like features. It's like a hybrid. It's a powerful appointment scheduler that's been built with client management in mind. Let's look at some specific examples. Imagine you're a hairstylist. You've got a client, Sarah, who comes in every 6 weeks for a color and cut. With Square Appointments, you can see her past color formulas, her preferred products, and any notes you've made about her hair. You can even see how much she's spent over time. That's valuable information. You can use it to personalize her experience, suggest new services, or offer loyalty rewards. Or imagine you're a personal trainer. You've got a client, John, who's been training with you for 6 months. You can use Square Appointments to track his progress, see his workout history, and even note his fitness goals. You can use this information to tailor his workouts, provide personalized feedback, and keep him motivated. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Limitations. Square Appointments is designed primarily for appointment scheduling. It excels at that, but it's not a dedicated CRM. It doesn't have the advanced reporting, segmentation, or automation features of a tool like Salesforce or HubSpot. For example, you can't create custom reports to analyze client behavior in depth. You can't set up complex automated workflows to nurture leads. And you can't integrate with a wide range of third-party apps for advanced marketing or sales automation. So, if you're a large enterprise with complex CRM needs, Square Appointments might not be enough. But for small businesses, especially those in the service industry, it's a powerful tool that offers a lot of value. Here's the key. Square Appointments is constantly evolving. Square is always adding new features and integrations, and they're clearly focused on helping small businesses succeed. So, it's possible that Square Appointments will become even more CRM-like in the future. Let's talk about the benefits of using Square Appointments for client management. First, it's integrated. You're already using it for appointments, so you don't need to learn a new system. Second, it's user-friendly. It's simple and intuitive, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Third, it's affordable. It's included in your Square Appointments subscription, so you don't need to pay for a separate CRM. And fourth, it's mobile. You can access your client information on the go, from your phone or tablet. This is crucial for service businesses where you might be working in different locations. Now, how can you maximize the CRM-like features of Square Appointments? First, use the Notes feature. Don't just record appointment details. Record client preferences, interests, and personal information. This will help you build stronger relationships. Second, track purchase history. This will help you understand what your clients are buying and identify opportunities for upselling or cross-selling. Third, use Square Marketing. This will allow you to send targeted emails and promotions to your clients. Fourth, encourage reviews. Positive reviews can help you attract new clients and build your reputation. And fifth, stay organized. Regularly update your client information and keep your notes up to date. Ultimately, the answer to the question, is Square Appointments a CRM? Is nuanced. It's not a full-fledged CRM, but it's a powerful appointment scheduler with strong client management capabilities. It's a great option for small businesses that want to streamline their operations and build stronger client relationships. Think of it as a stepping stone. If your business grows and your CRM needs become more complex, you can always upgrade to a dedicated CRM. But for many small businesses, Square Appointments is all you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.